Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, serving eastern and northeast India, has been at the forefront of nation's fight against the pandemic. From seamless supply of medical essentials, including oxygen tankers and concentrators during the second wave, to a cold chain compliant transfer of vaccines, the airport has been managing everything diligently. Carried out with careful attention, the airport's cargo management has ensured the uninterrupted movement, storage and delivery of vaccines.
We have got all the facility. We have got the specialized cargo facility here. We have cargo separate management is available here. So those things we are managed in meticulous manner. We have a storage facility. We have the cargo is moving in a very smooth manner and expeditious way also. We are not delaying any part actually. The moment consignment comes, my cargo and even my operation people are taking care of that. It is getting delivered as early as possible to the authorities concerned.
Kolkata Airport has so far handled approximately 700 metric tons of medical supplies and around 2.5 crore doses of vaccine till 15th June 2021. In coordination with the health departments of as many as 6 state governments, the airport has played a significant role in curbing the spread of infection, ensuring the supply of medical essentials for the treatment and vaccination of citizens.
We are getting vaccines for consumption at Kolkata and West Bengal and for Northeast. So any consignment coming for Kolkata is delivered right away, and we have a SOP made for that, which has the concurrence of BCAS, CISF, Airport Authority. So we are taking the trucks inside till the aircraft under the supervision of Follow Me Jeeps of Airport Authority Operations Department, and straight from the aircraft we are loading onto the trucks.
Acknowledged with the ASQ ACI Award for Hygiene for the year 2020, the airport has also been promoting a safe and secure environment for passengers. The airport has introduced a system of zero contact across the terminal, ensuring safety right from check-in at the airport till boarding of the flight.
I'm quite happy with it because everyone is taking care of the basic things, especially sanitization, wearing mask and following the rules and regulations. That's it. Yeah, I think it's pretty much good.
Largest in eastern India, Kolkata Airport is one of the busiest AAI managed airport and an engineering marvel. With an absolute compliance to standard operating procedures, the airport has instilled a sense of trust and confidence in those who want to travel in these tough times.